हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज ग्रेट और यू वाचिंग डोरा ट्यूटोरियल्स। आज का टॉपिक है लेसन 4th 3rd क्लास 10 का पेयर ऑफ लिनियर इक्वेशन एक्सरसाइज 3.4 के फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, okay, in which we have to show that in which linear equation has the unique solutions, no solution or infinite many solutions. Okay, तो सबसे पहले तो मैं आपको यहाँ बता दूं कि लीनियर इक्वेशन में आप कैसे ये पता लगा सकते हो कि किस इक्वेशन का यूनिक सॉल्यूशन, नो सॉल्यूशन और इनफाइनाइट मेनी सॉल्यूशंस है। तो उसके लिए सबसे पहले हम इनके कोएफिशिएंट को लेते हैं। तो यहां पर हम देखते हैं कि हमारा जो x का कोएफिशिएंट है दैट इज a1 इज इक्वल टू 1, b1 इज इक्वल टू -3 एंड c1 इज इक्वल टू -3 and a2 is equal to 3, b2 is equal to -9 and c2 is equal to -2. Okay, तो हम करते हैं a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. तो इस सिचुएशन में when a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, in this situation the equation has no solution. Okay, when a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, in that case the equation has no solution. तो अभी हम यहाँ पे इसको पुट करके देखते हैं 1 by 3 is equal to -3 by 9, जो इसको सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में करेंगे तो ये 1 by 3 आ जाएगा, ठीक है, is equal to -3 by 2 which is not equal. तो अभी in this case 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3 is not equal to -3 by 2. So in this case the equation has no solution. Okay, अब मैं सेकंड क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर रही हूँ। सेकंड क्वेश्चन है 2x plus y is equal to 5 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 8। तो सबसे पहले हम इस क्वेश्चन को स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लिखेंगे। सो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लिखेंगे then 2x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0, whereas a1 is 2, b1 is 1, c1 is -5, a2 is 3, b2 is 2 and c2 is -8. ओके, तो अभी जो इक्वेशन का दूसरा रूल है वो ये है, if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 then the equation has unique solution. Okay, and according to the question, if the equation has unique solution, then we have to find out the value of x and y through the process of cross multiplication, through the method of cross multiplication. Okay, so चलो एक बार चेक भी कर लेते हैं। Here a1 is 2 and b1 is 3 is not equal to a1 is 2 and a1 is 2 and a2 is 3 and b1 is 1 and a2 is b2 is 2. So here 2 by 3 is not equal to 1 by 2. So the equation has unique solution. Okay. Now we find out the values of x and y. xy b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equal to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Okay, so xy b1 is 1 into c1 is -8 minus b2 is 2 into c1 is -5 is equal to 1 by a1 is 2 into b2 is 2 minus A2 is 3 into B1 is 1. So xy 1 into minus 8 is equal to minus 8 minus 2 into minus 5 is equal to minus 10 is equal to 1 by 2 2s are 4 minus 3 into 1 is equal to 3. So this implies xy minus 8 minus minus plus 10 is equal to 1 by 1. So xy 2 is equal to 1. This implies x is equal to 2. So the value of x is 2. ठीक है, तो मैंने यहाँ पे x की वैल्यू निकाल ली, x इज इक्वल टू 2. अब मैं y की वैल्यू निकाल रही हूँ, तो y बाई c1 a2 माइनस c2 a1 इज इक्वल टू 1 बाई a1 b2 माइनस a2 b1. ठीक है, सो y बाई here c1 is minus 5 into a2 is 2. C2 is minus 8 into A1. A2 is 3. Yeah. A2 is 3. C2 is minus 8 and A1 is 2. Is equal to 1 by A1 is 2 into B2 is 2 minus A2 is 3 into B1 is 1. Okay. So y by minus 5 into 3 is equal to minus 15 minus 8 into 2 is equal to minus 16 is equal to 1 by 2 2s are 4 minus 3 into 1 is equal to 3. Okay, this implies y by minus 15 minus plus 16 is equal to 1 by 1. This implies y by 1 is equal to 1. This implies y is equal to 1. So the value of y is 1. अब हम थर्ड क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर रहे हैं. थर्ड इक्वेशन है 3x minus 5y is equal to 20 है, 6x minus 10y is equal to 40. Okay, so as we know that a1 by a2, if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, then the equation has infinite solutions. So here we see that 3 by 6 is equal to minus 5 by minus 10. सबसे पहले तो हम इसको स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लाएंगे. ठीक है, 3x minus 5y minus 20 is equal to 0 and 6x minus 10y minus 40 is equal to 0. Okay, अब हम इसको कंपेयर करते हैं. 3 by 6 is equal to minus 5 by minus 10 is equal to minus 20 by minus 40. 1 by 2 minus 5 by minus 10 1 by 2 and minus 40 by minus 20 by minus 40 is equal to 1 by 2. Here 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. So here we see that a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and is equal to c1 by c2. So the equation has infinite solutions. A fourth equation है x minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0, 3x minus 3y minus 15 is equal to 0. तो यहाँ हम देख रहे हैं a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. ओके, यहाँ a1 is equal to 1 by a2 is 3 which is not equal to minus 3 minus 3. Okay, so the equation has unique solution. So now we have to find out the values of x and y through the process of cross multiplication. तो the method of cross multiplication. तो cross multiplication में x क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन में x की वैल्यू निकालने के लिए x by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equal to constant by a1 b2 minus a2 b1 and y की वैल्यू निकालने के लिए c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equal to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1 का फार्मूला मुझे लगाना है. तो पहले मैं x की वैल्यू निकाल रही हूँ. So here x by b1 is minus 3 into c2 is minus 15 minus b2 is minus 3 and c1 is minus 7 is equal to 1 by a1 is 1 into b2 is minus 3 minus a2 is 3. Okay, a2 is 3 into b1 is minus 3. Okay, so next line here minus 3 into minus 15 is equal to 45 and minus minus plus. Okay, minus 3 into minus 15 is equal to 45 minus minus 3 into minus 7 is equal to 21. 1 by 1 into minus 3 is equal to minus 3 minus 3 into minus 3 is equal to minus 9. So x by 45 minus 21 is equal to 24 is equal to 1 by minus 3 minus minus plus 9. This implies x is equal to 24 by minus 3 plus 9 is equal to 6. So this implies x is equal to 4. So the value of x is equal to 4. Now, next we have to find out the value of y. So we go through the formula of y c1 into a2. c1 a2 where c1 is minus 7 and a2 is 3 minus c2 is minus 15. Okay, c2 is minus 15 into a1 is 1. Now, 1 by a1 b2. Here a1 is 1 into b2 is minus 3 minus a2 is 3 into b1 is minus 3. This implies y by minus 7 into 3 is minus 21 minus minus 15 into 1 is minus 15 is equal to 1 by minus 3. 1 into minus 3 is equal to 1. Minus 3 minus minus 3 into minus 3 is equal to minus 9. So this implies y is equal to y minus 21 minus minus plus 15 is equal to 1 by minus 3 minus minus plus 6. So this implies y by
minus 9 plus 9.
Y by minus 21 plus 15 is equal to minus 6. Okay, minus 21 plus 15 is minus 6 is equal to 1 by minus 3 plus 9 is 6. Here y is equal to minus 6 by 6, that is minus 1. So y is equal to minus 1. So the value of y is equal to minus 1. Okay. So ये था exercise 3.1 का question number 1. Thank you. Please like and subscribe the channel.